This is what the supplier sent me. You can see that there's a big difference in diameter of this. However, it's going to fit in that same spot. I think all I have to do is take this thing out. This thing will come off. This will be able to be assembled into that. It looks like the more desirable position to change this thing would be with the top down. So that's what I'm going to try to do now. Millimeter. Oops, wrong way. Ready to tell you lefty loosey. This should come right off. There it is. How I'm going to get to the end of that, I don't know. I got to raise the top a little bit in order to get to that. Star edge is correct. Should be able to get it off with that thing. See, this is problematic. I've got fittings that go into here, and these fittings with the T go into there. But this has to have a fitting on the other end of it. Frickin' wherever I bought this from is El Rongo. They didn't put the fittings on the other end. So I'm not going to be able to do this. Might as well stop right here. Here's the second piece of bad news. This is the bushing. It's supposed to go in there to run the top up and down. This is that bolt we are trying to get in there, and that thing doesn't fit. It fits fine in the original one. So we've got screw up number 2. This has also got to go back. Smell you later. We'll do this rest of this project some other time.